All right, if everything's going according to plans, you have this JPEG open and this JPEG open. And just so we're looking at the same thing, drag the crowd to the right of the pink smoke. See how you can just change these things up and move it in the other direction? Okay, so you have the pink smoke on the left and the crowd on the right. Now, it's not a really big deal, but this way we're doing the same thing. Now remember, they're both 2400 pixels wide. So with the Move tool, not this selection tool down here, the path selection, with the Move tool, go ahead and click on this and drag. Don't let go of the mouse. I'm just clicking and dragging and then hovering. And don't let go of the mouse. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to hold down Shift. I'm not going to let go of Shift. I'm going to let go of the mouse first. Now I'm going to let go of Shift. That drops this image directly in the center. And I want to drag this down. See how we have these guides? And we want this to snap and have pink bottom. See how the pink on the bottom disappeared? It's because I went too far. And we have View and snapping on. Snap right here. Okay, so that works, and snap to everything. So voila, we have two images stacked, one on top of the other. You can hide this top one. See the eyeball? Hide it. Hide it. Okay, it's really important that you have this. When you hide this, it's right at the bottom, right? You got the crowd down here, pink in the background. I mean, it doesn't get much simpler than this. I'm going to go ahead and close this because I can always open up another copy. I'm not going to save it. Close it. So we have this JPEG saved in our Downloads folder. We have this JPEG saved in our Downloads folder, but because there are now two layers, this is a PSD. You won't be able to save this as a JPEG because there's two layers. So we won't overwrite either file. Now we're working non-destructively. Okay, let's come back and make magic happen with default colors and a gradient mask. Gradient map is something completely different.